In a world where danger can lurk around any corner, your smartphone might just be your knight in shining armor. Gone are the days when phones were merely devices to make calls or play games. Today they can be pivotal in ensuring your safety during life's most terrifying moments, such as an attempted kidnapping. Here's how you can transform your everyday gadget into a powerful tool of self-defense and other vital tips for such critical scenarios. Use your voice literally. The SOS feature. Many smartphones come equipped with an SOS feature that, when activated, sends an immediate alert to your emergency contacts. This alert often includes your location, and on some devices, it can even start recording audio or video. Learn how to activate this feature because in times of distress, a swift swipe or click can make all the difference. Light the way. Flashlight as a deterrent. The flashlight on your phone isn't just for finding your way in the dark or looking for lost items under the couch. It can also serve as a deterrent to attackers. Flashing a bright light directly into the eyes of a would-be kidnapper can disorient them, giving you precious time to escape or attract attention. An app for that: self-defense applications. The app marketplace is brimming with applications designed to protect users in unsafe situations. From apps that emit loud, alarm-like sounds to those that can send your location to the police or a trusted network of friends, there's likely an app that suits your needs. Install and familiarize yourself with one or more of these apps. The power of information. Real-time location sharing. Before heading into potentially unsafe situations, share your live location with a trusted friend or family member. Apps like Google Maps and WhatsApp allow real-time location sharing. This simple act ensures someone always knows where you are, significantly enhancing your safety. Call for help, the obvious and effective. In moments of danger, making a call to emergency services or a trusted individual can provide a lifeline. Even if you can't speak, leaving the line open allows the receiver to hear what's happening and act accordingly. Beyond the phone, additional self-defense tips. Awareness is key. Always be aware of your surroundings. Avoid getting distracted by your phone in unfamiliar or potentially unsafe areas. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. Don't ignore your gut feeling. It's better to be safe than sorry. Physical defense. Consider carrying a whistle or learning basic self-defense moves. Knowing how to physically protect yourself can be invaluable. As we wrap up this installment, remember that your safety is paramount and often lies within the grasp of your hands, quite literally when it comes to your smartphone. But the journey doesn't end here. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll explore the psychological tactics to deter attackers and the art of negotiation in kidnapping scenarios. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more information.